suspended, man. For the rest of September month, you're suspended, Vani. Wala. Me see you just type something look while ago. Hold on.
Listen down in front
No, Vani, hang up. X up, Vani. No, Vani, don't do that.
No, listen.
No, you can't. No, you can't mention nobody pit over yourself, Vani. Don't do that, Vani. Alright then, okay, so X up. You can't do that, Vani.
You can't chat to me, can I give me about 6 bills? Mama make it cut it short and done. I lay the pay for promotion, $600 US. I never have nobody for use it in the cash for correct it. We use $40 for correct it. Him said the woman put one claim on his bank account. The woman put no bomber clad claim on his bank account. Fully thief, when you say thief and thief, God laugh. Fully take the money and I come tell me, say, boy, I want it on him bank account. No fucking claim nobody on him bank account. Furthermore, upon him bank account, him a fully top dollar. Every little information with upon him IG, add it upon him couple class of way show me. First thing laugh, I'm a video. When him send me with man, I was gun in hand, boy go come shoot. Time call man a Jamaica, tell him man them a Jamaica say me thief, him stinking $600 US. How the fuck me for scam you $600 US when I blood clot? Me forget the $600 US, yes, they me. The woman send her money to him supposed to send it to me. When him send it to me, him cancel it. Cause I call me down in the man and I come tell me about him money they pan all. Wake me out of my bed, so I tell him, say, listen, that's how wake up, man. What you talk about? I hang up my phone, can keep on a ring me done. When I done wake up fully, I call him back. When I call him back for ear walk and I tell him about claim. I don't know nothing about no blood clot claim and this lava. I don't have foreign. I don't know nothing about foreign and claim or whatever. Tell him for explain what I want. He must show me some bank account thing.
Listen, what I'm saying.
Listen, lava, the old point is, no blood clot scam can't go on. Yes, you get the money, forgive me. And I'll now me not get the money because I'm still old and panic. Or fuck somebody for try to scam you when you get money, forgive me. So make him move. Me no want and chatting over. Yes, some more than me just want to know. Say, me not get no money. The woman text me since night again. She did block me and she unblocked me this since night and I got tell me say she me for send back her money. Me make sure no point blank say listen and now me not receive the money. Him for send the money to me, him not send it. Go feed your hungry belly pig and go suck your dead pig in front of you and that me say I'm gone.
I'm explaining something and telling this. Vani and everybody know this. I'm looking friend. I'm like you. You get where I come from? You have to know in every little thing in a Vani. It no matter if you say them I try to accuse you for the right or for the right, wrong or what the case might be. You have to know this. There's a limit. You get where I come from? And you can't bring nobody pitting in it. And before you come on, me see where you type on the wall in a Vani. And me see it. Me not run pitney joke over here, so. Kids off limit. And I say to you, before you say anything on time about me, say it to you.
I don't feel we have some people that tell them what we do here, but you know when I do shit with that. It's mad, my friend.
To the hour date.
You want to strike it again. They didn't chat anything going for them.
So she's still.
Alright then.
She start with trouble, you know.
We're gonna set him a month now, don't it?
All the time she get big trouble.
So,
Thief that man.
even if you're right or you're wrong, it's like you give away your rights.
Thief that said we man.
With no ignorance, because fully ignorant and say shot and this and that and way and blah blah blah. Okay. But come on, I mention about the pit never and I do that. So, yeah man. For the rest of September month, you're suspended, man. For the rest of September month, you're suspended, Vani. You understand me?
I made a miss. I don't want to get suspended. Be something.
Okay.
I know this go on last night.
You're rude, my girl, man.
Sure, that's what they say.
Oh, boy. Next one. I tell Ivany about she on suspension. Big old blood clot Ivany will left school much years now. You tell Ivany say she on blood clot suspension. Eh? Look how much years now Ivany left blood clot school. Eh? Look how much years now blood clot Ivany school. How you are put up on big old blood clot. 42 year old for suspension. You want next idiot to lava. You want next idiot to. And yes, we know that Ivany is wrong. And yes, she is wrong. And yes, she is wrong. True. But as Jamaican, where we are cause people in a business? Bumbleclad, no, you see that? No. Oh. You're 10 to in one, come here. Yeah. Tell you something. You hear me? Yeah. I know it's a big woman thing still. Mm-hmm. Serious as a judge. Mm-hmm. Me nah lie. Mm-hmm. You know, say Ivany, they call me, ask if somebody can send money to me, something to you, know. I'm tell her, I said no, you know. I'm fully that dollar go get it. I swear to you. I'm gonna be 100%. That's why people don't like me. That's why people don't like me. I'm gonna be real. And that's why people don't like me, love. I'm in a response to people don't like me. Because me talk real. We know say Ivany a thief. See? Right. And everybody knows that Ivany this and Ivany that. So what you do with people where you know we do this and put them on a little chalk line. Yes. You don't go out fully out on them. Come on, man, you know, if you understand, man, a Tory. Me a fully top dollar, so, you know. Me a fully top dollar dog. I'm a do so. I'm day one from a long time. Me a fully top dollar dog. We shout and me and him talk and me and him do transaction in a promotion and this and that. But lava, if a level where you are talk about when we're gonna be 100% real, me and Ivany a friend. Me a fully top dollar friend. Cause fully top dollar come at me yard. Him know where me live. He can't come up further now and pull up which part me live. I'm gonna talk this on a real level. Big man level. Who win a business, who a talk about picnic. Two fucking Jamaican argue. Anything come out of anybody mouth. I any idea we go and sit down a person and tell them who fucking wrong. You understand me as a lava? I'm going to be on a different level. A level be where again? Me be real lava. If you did it, I say rare. I mean, I have nothing else to say about you. I'm going to tell you something that fucking hurt you and burn you. No, but listen. We are not Yankee lava. We're going to pump up. And we're going to end the idea. We're going to sit down and talk and say, here what one. We are fucking friends. We are Jamaicans and we're going to bust each other head and tomorrow we see again.